With your legs straight, place the brace on your leg with the hinges on the side of your knee. Ensure that the cable covers are not wedged between the hinge and knee, but are floating freely external to the hinge. Position the center of the hinge at the center of your knee. Fasten the anti-migration strap first. This strap is located below the knee and helps to keep the brace in the correct position. Next, fasten the upper shin strap over the anti-migration strap. Continue with the lower shin strap. Next, fasten the upper thigh strap. Be careful not to over-tighten the top two straps, as this can cause the brace to slip down. Lastly, fasten the thigh liner strap just above the knee. When removing the brace, undo each strap on the front of the brace and ensure you attach the straps back to themselves. This will make it easier when fitting the brace next time and will prolong the life of the straps. Do not adjust the back calf strap.